Hello everybody, this is Yuka.
And I'm Derek.
So I have help today.
Welcome back to Easy Tasty Vegan. Today you're going to be trying out a dish that's actually composed quickly within a 10-minute time period. Use up of easy things out the kitchen.
Alright, let's get started. Alright, this is the tasting time. So he made a delicious food today and I'm gonna try this out. There's definitely sesame oil on top of it, makes really great flavor, brings to a whole different world. And what do you think?
I think it's a great easy way to make something Asian in the house at night without having to go out and go ahead and get rid of those extra vegetables you might have in the fridge. You can really do it with anything. Broccoli, carrots, eggplant if you have it left over.
Okay. The noodle I used today is I just bought it from Walmart. This only have 5 net carbs and it's really easy to make them.
It's easily accessible.
If you like this recipe, please hit subscribe buttons and like button too.
And feel free to leave a comment.
Yes, please. Alright, I'll see you soon. Bye!